Hey everybody, Jay and RVer, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Guess what? I got a good one. Oh my gosh, I got a good one.
We always have a good one.
Yes, I do. It's a 2025 Grand Design Reflection, model number 297 RSTS. So let's get started. The length on this reflection is 33 feet 11 inches. The dry weight is 8,530 pounds with a hitch weight of 1,020 with a GVWR of 9,995.
All right, guys, let's start right up here at the front. You see that you are going to have an electric hitch on this. But now, if you guys are ever concerned about the safety of your trailer or the security of it or leaving it somewhere, hang around to the end of our video. We'd like to share a really great product, a trailer hitch lock, yeah. And we think you would be really interested in it. Like I said, powered trunk jack on here. Your propane is going to go under these covers. Your batteries, of course, will mount right back there.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, coming
electric
around here,
leveling.
We do have electric leveling, which is awesome. Got some front storage here. Your connections are going to be right over there.
You got a solar controller? Yes.
And it is prepped for an inverter, if you can see that up there.
Wow.
Right. Super, super nice. You do have a sewer hose caddy already mounted on this one. Water heater.
Water. Tankless water heater.
Picky. Anyway, down below your tankless water heater.
There you go.
Is your valve pulls. Your dump area is going to be right there.
That's a good area right there too.
Yeah, that's actually a really good place. It's going to be easier to get to. This is going to have the MORryde CRE 3000 suspension, and Grand Design is going to give you some good years on this one, and it is going to have the ABS anti-lock braking system.
Yes.
See, I'm learning.
This is actually the first time we've got to do a reflection travel trailer.
We have not done a reflection travel trailer, so we're a little bit excited about this one. Looking at the back of it, you're going to have a ladder to be able to get on your roof. It's going to be prepped for a backup camera. You have a spray port right at the back. How cool is that, to wash your feet off when you're at the beach and it's nice and warm like it's not here. You are going to have a receiver hitch on this one. It is not set up for towing, so this is going to be for an accessory rack. Looking at your campsite, your power awning is going to be 21 feet.
Wow.
And it is going to go over this other slide here, but you've got a place to bring a TV out if you would like. And while you're out here watching TV,
hey,
you can
yes ma'am,
put your snacks in the little mini fridge.
Gatorade.
Yeah, which your son has drank all of my Gatorades, so there we go. Your quick connect is actually going to be up under here, which might be a little hard to get to, so just keep that in mind. They give you this little blue light under your steps, which looks really cool when it's dark. And right up front, here is the other side of your pass-through storage. Actually, it is a really nice size storage, and it is finished out very nicely. You do have a light and a plug-in out here. All right.
You ready to take a look?
Let's take a look. Okay, this is going to be a rear living model, but it's sort of flipped from what we normally see. So we'll just start at the very back. You're going to have a sofa here that is going to make into some additional sleeping.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, lots of storage across the top. And then you have this neat little end. So,
no way.
yeah, so if you want to prop up and watch TV, you can do that.
That is
And
awesome.
back here in the corner, you're going to have power, USB, and a couple of cup holders. And this just goes all the way up and goes right back down. Let me turn around and show you this slide on the business side over here. Your theater seating is going to be right here. I believe there's a cup holder in the middle of it, I think. Pretty sure that pulls down.
Yes. Oh.
Oh. Yes.
A little USB right there.
How neat.
I like it.
And you're also going to have a table with 2 chairs and a bench, and it's got some storage in it. So,
Yes.
Yes.
The whole top here.
yeah, the hall.
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh,
Oh, wait a minute now. We
Wait.
got to pull this out. Let me see if I can operate
you can
this.
figure it out.
There we go.
Yes. So if you want to pull it over here in front of the sofa, you can use it almost as like a little desk.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you've got this
Storage.
in it.
Oh, cool.
Very nice.
If you like that, hey, subscribe to the channel.
Absolutely. You can find more surprises just like that with us.
Take a
Yeah.
guess.
I'm going to guess it's a 42 inch.
Well, let's find out. No,
No.
it is a 40.
Oh, I was only off by 2 inches.
Well,
Hey,
there you
not
go.
too bad. So, here on your theater seating, you're going to be directly in front of your entertainment. So, you've got some storage across the top up there.
Hey, there's your stereo. JBL.
Very nice.
Yeah, the speaker's in the ceiling.
Yes. Let me lean back. There's one of your AC units and one of your really nice speakers. All kinds of storage all the way around your electric fireplace down here. So those fireplaces are wonderful on those cooler mornings.
Yeah. And you also, if you
Yes.
can get in here behind.
Yes. So you also going to have some storage on both sides behind your TV.
Yes.
Alright, let's move into the kitchen, and I'm looking for the vents, and I know they're not. Wow, they did a really good job hiding this one. It's actually right in the center of the island. I don't think it's going to show up because it's dark, but so they don't have vents in the floor. You're going to have a 12-volt compressor fridge
Yes.
in here.
And you know, we see a lot of these that are black, but this is,
Stainless.
yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
Okay, squirrel.
Moving on in, you've got some really great storage over here, and this is a nice big prep area between your fridge and your stove. Big microwave, 3-burner cooktop with an oven, and you've got a drawer down
at the
below
bottom.
it.
Then you've got a drawer here, and hey, look, there's the Grand Design keys right there.
Oh wow!
Cool.
And you got storage there, and you're probably wondering why there's nothing in the middle. Well, that's where your outside fridge is. This is solid surface in here. Very, very
Hey,
nice.
hey.
Yes, love this cutlery drawer, your pull-out garbage. You even have solid surface on your island.
Oh, wow.
Awesome storage underneath the
That's
sink.
nice. And look, it's
And it's
soft
soft close.
you got
Drawers
3.
underneath.
Oh,
And
well, look.
remotes.
There's all the remotes.
And up here you are going to have a high-rise faucet with a sprayer. And this is a nice large single basin sink. But we're not finished yet. Hold on.
Ah,
Your controls are going to be behind this door, so they're nice and hidden.
oh,
You've-
and I got more lights.
Oh, yes. There are actually some little accent lights under here. You do have a coffee bar down here. It is also solid surface. A couple of drawers there. And let me show you the storage up there. Yeah.
Wow.
These are some really neat light fixtures. I love the pendant lights in here.
I'm just glad I found it. It's right there. Okay. Next. Let me find a light. Whoop, that's a fan.
All right. So, got a good size shower.
30 by 36.
30 by 36.
I think that's right.
Now this is not going to have a skylight, but Grand Design gives you this indention with a light.
I like that.
It is nice. If you've ever tried to shower at night with a skylight, they're dark. I'm just saying. So you've got a mirrored
Wow.
medicine cabinet over here.
Oh man, look at that. Nice space.
Yeah, great space in here. Great storage. Not solid surface in the bathroom, but they give you really good counter space in here. The plug-in. You do have a porcelain foot flush toilet. Good space in front of it. You have a towel bar back here.
Let's look at
And
this.
then you got some more storage.
Look at there.
Oh, and there's a golden plunger.
There we go.
Yes, this one is going to get it, and I'm going to tell you, it's going to get it barely because it doesn't have a linen closet, an actual linen closet.
Yeah.
But you've got some good space up there and great space underneath the sink. So we're going to give it this time.
Okay. You're awesome.
Right. Moving on into the main bedroom. Get this light on here for you. This is a queen size north-south bed, and you've got a little storage ledge up here, and you're going to have plug-ins on both sides and a USB and USB-C right in the middle.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, so
Yeah. I like the little shelf.
yeah, I like the shelf. Padded headboard in here. On each side, you're going to have hanging space.
Yep.
And a mirror on both sides. You've got storage across the top. You are going to have a second AC in this one. Then over here in the corner, you're going to have 2 drawers and more hanging.
Oh, wow.
So more hanging over here. And I'm going to hand this off.
All right, let me see if I can turn around real slowly. There's, you got a light, there's your bar, and you are prepped for a combo unit in here. Because there is your dryer. It's right on that side where you can cut the hole for the vent. Or let the dealership do it.
Yes. I would highly suggest letting the dealership do it.
Yeah. You know I will.
I know you will. If you want to add another TV up here, it's going to go right up there above that window.
Wow.
Yeah, so very nice. And again, this is another nice tall travel trailer, so you've got great headroom in here.
All right, before we let you go, anything you want to say you like about it, or?
I love that it's solid surface, and I love that big prep area right over there. That is a great space.
Wash and dryer prep. That's pretty cool.
It
in the
is.
bedroom. The bedroom is really cool. But all right, everybody. If you like this Grand Design Reflection travel trailer, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.
J&A Review is excited to partner with Proven Industries to showcase their trailer coupler locks. Proven Industry makes locks to fit travel trailers, fifth wheels, utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. These products are manufactured out of high-strength impervious materials. They come with a lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, one key for all locks, and best of all, they are made in the USA. Check out all of their products at www.provenlocks.com or find them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.